good day. This lesson is all about percentage increase and decrease. Let's say you want to buy some shoes for you, and they were actually advertised at 800 Rand if you are in South Africa. So your shoes that you would like to buy is 800 Rand. When you got to the shop, they had a discount. Fantastic. They said you can pay 15% less. In other words, there's a decrease in price. What will you pay? Let's work it out. We are going to work it out with two methods. First method, let's work out what is the discount, the decrease. Method 1. So I'm going to say, what is 15% of 800 Rand? Change the percentage to out of 100. So 15 out of 100. Of means times. And 800 Rand, you can say 800 over 1. So let's see if we can cancel out. Yes, 100 can go into that once. It can go into that 8 times. So what do we have left? 15 times 8, and that is 120 Rand. Does this mean that your shoes will only now be 120 Rand? No, that's the discount. So you are going to pay 120 Rand less. So for your total amount that you're going to pay, you will say 800 Rand minus the 120 will give me an answer of 680 Rand for the shoes. Okay, let's do it in another method. Method 2. If there's a decrease in price, percentage decrease, then you don't pay 100% of the amount. You agree? You are going to pay 100% minus the 15%. And 100% minus the 15% will be 85%. So you are actually going to pay 85% of the 800. Okay, you agree? So I said 100% minus the 15% will give me a value of 85% of the 800 Rand. So let's work it out. 85 over 100 times by 800 over 1. Cancel out. Can go into that 8. And 85 times 8 will be 680. And can you see that we are now actually at the same answers? There you go. So you can do this in two methods, guys. You can first work out the amount of decrease or the amount of discount and then subtract it from your original price. Or you can say it's 100% minus the 15%. So I am actually paying 85% of the 800 Rand. And then you have one calculation to do. Right, this was in decrease. Actually, when you do increase, it kind of works the same. Let's do an example. Okay, let's say that you are now in the USA and you want to buy some sneakers, takkies. And the price for that is $200. $200 for sneakers. But when you got to the shop, there was actually an increase in price. Okay? They said that the price will increase by 15%. So you need to pay 15% more than what was advertised. 15% increase. Okay? So what will you pay? Again, we will do two methods. First method. Let's work out what is 15% of $200. So 15% of $200. 15 is 15 out of 100 times 200 over 1. Can cancel out. So I have 15 times 2. That will give me $30. Does it mean that the shoes will be Only $30? No, it means that you are going to pay $30 more than what was advertised. So for your total amount, it needs to be the $200 plus the $30. And you will have $230 that you need to pay. Let's do it method 2. If there is an increase in price, percentage increase, then it means that you are not paying 100% of your amount. You are going to pay 15% more than the 100%. And what is 15% more than the 100%? 115%. So 115% of the $200. That's what you're going to pay. Let's work out what's the amount. 115 over 100 times $200 over 1. So I can cancel out. I can go into that twice. And 2 times 115 will actually be $230. Again, you did it only in one calculation, but you had to do the mental calculation by saying this is not 100%, it's 115% because there's a 15% increase. I hope this makes sense to you and that you are enthusiastic about percentage increase and decrease. Until next time, goodbye.